All right, I'm good. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot this intro real quick.
That's pretty cool, ain't it?
Get this done and over with.
Yeah, you nice.
He's right there. All right.
What are you doing? Fucker. God.
All right, go stand back in position for me, Raj.
Damn, cat.
All right, let's try this again.
With this cat.
All right, take three.
Take three. Action.
See what I got to go through for a fucking video.
Yeah. That's on the beginning of it.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Welcome back, everybody. Frankenstein C20 here today. So today we are doing a set of front brake pads on my buddy Roger's 2010 Nissan Versa. We're going to do some brake pads, whether it needs it or not. We're going to go ahead and do it. So it's got a little shake. He had the wheels balanced and stuff, so we're just going to throw some fresh pads on here today. And that's about what we're doing today. So that should catch us up. Been working a little bit lately. Just post a few here or there. We've been leaning into the work thing, trying to make some money so we can take a little time in the winter off. So with that being said, we're gonna get in here. I've already got the wheels and stuff off, and we're gonna get in here and check out these brake pads real quick. Cut. All right, so here we are, passenger side. We went ahead and got the driver's side in, and we went ahead and just went with the old clips because these would not work. There you go. These would not work. These were not fitting in properly. So went ahead and just used the old ones there. We're gonna go ahead and get this passenger side in, and we're gonna take this wheel, get everything tore apart, and we're gonna show it to you here in just a second. All right, so here we are on the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead, I went ahead and got my 14mm bolt out of the bottom, flip this up. We're gonna go ahead and squeeze our caliper tight here. Old pad and the spreader. So that's done. So now all we got is just the pads popping out there. Alright, so as we learned on the driver's side, I'm keeping the old clips in because these new ones right here are junk. So nothing wrong with these. I tried for 45 minutes to get them to work and they would not even fit right. So anyway, so yeah, we're just going to slap some new pads on here and give it a go. Okay, so we have turned the wheel to see if we can make this a little bit easier on ourselves here. All right. Take two.
Take 2. Alright, here we go. Let's run it down the road, see if they're working. Oh, wait, we don't even have the wheel on there yet. Yeah. Slow down, Les. I really feel like your blood sugar,
All right, so after a little bit of this and that, we have got it in. So, and my battery is running dead. Bottom line was we couldn't use the new clips at all. These new clips here are completely the wrong size, especially right here in this area. They're too long by quite a bit from fitting. So we went ahead and just used the old clips with the new pads, and we're just gonna run it like that because we can't run them. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it for this. Pretty easy. They slip in and out. Keep them with the old clips. So that's all, folks. We're gonna wrap this one up for today. See ya. Frankenstein C20 out.
Get the car staged, you'll be back again. We rolled through the bend, we tried to cut the trans brake, and it just took off. Just some match up that's been